Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How is everyone? I hope everyone is doing well. Today we read lesson 23. Lesson 23 is just like previous lesson, lesson 22. In previous lesson we read like, for example, dot fatha alif do. It's read too much long, too long, and lam fatha tani lan. Together it's called do lan like this. But in this lesson, lam is also read and also connected with dod. If you say the word of mud, it's going to be dod, fatha, alif, mad, lam, dod, like this. It's going to be difficult, especially for kids. So I will make it easy for you. You simply read dod, fatha, alif, lam. Lam is also connected due to shad. So it's read. In previous lesson, I already explained you. If you see upside of any letter, this symbol, this mud is here, letter is read too long. You can hold the sound at least 4 to 5 seconds. So dot basically read long and also connected with lam like this. First we say dot fatha alif lam, dot fatha alif lam. It's going to be dot fatha alif lam dol. Simply, first we say dod complete with mud. At the end we connect it with lam like dol like this. I hope you understand. I'm going to teach you. Repeat after me. Inshallah, you'll be got it. You'll be understand. This lesson is short. Okay, first line we read one by one, then we read only together. Repeat after me. ضاد فتحة ألف لام ضال لام فتحتين لن. Together is called ضالن. Lam is also connected with dot. Next, again, upside of jim, it's shad there. It's mean jim is connected with ha. So it's read it. Ha fatha alif jim hajj. Jim fatha ja, ka fatha ka. Together is called hajjaka. Next, upside of ba, again shad there. It's mean ba is connected with dal. Dal fatha alif ba. Dab. Ba fatha ba. Ta kasrataini tin. Together is called dabbatin. Ra fatha alif dal rod. Dal the maddu, ka fatha ka. Together is called radduka. First one is connected with the last one. First we read complete ra with mud. At the end, after 5 seconds, after 4 seconds, you can connect it with dal. Next one. Kha fatha alif sad khas. صاد فتحة صا. تا فتحتين تن. خاصة. Okay, kha satan no. Sod is also connected with kha. Kha satan. When you connect with sod, hold it at a few moments. Hold your sound at least like few moments, like kha satan, like this. Next, we read only together. كافة. Next, بضارهم. تحادون. Basically, ha has fatha tawila, standing fatha, but also there is mud. That's why ha is read long, also connected with dot due to this symbol, shad. Next, jannun. Next, alif has fatha tawila, also mud, and it's connected with meme. So, amina. Zonnina. Dallina. Allahu. If it's going to be hard, you can revise it again and again. First, alif fatha tawila. That's it. Next, lam. Lam has shad. It's also connected with alif. So, Allahu, like this. Only these 3 lines of this lesson. You can practice it. And inshallah ta'ala, see you in the next lesson, lesson 24. Lesson 24 is not difficult. It's just like previous one without mud. So, see you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.